Good day everyone, my name is Neil Patrick Locon. Welcome to my video tutorial. Today's video, I'm going to teach you some English words on how it is being pronounced correctly. You promised me guys that you repeat after me. So, are you ready? Let's begin. The first word that we have in the word set A is the word groceries. Groceries is not the right pronunciation. It is being pronounced as groceries. Again, groceries. The next word is the word jewelries. It's not jewelries. This word is pronounced as jewelries. Again, jewelries. The next word that we have is the word orange. It's not orange. It is being pronounced as orange. Again, orange. Next word is the word chocolate. It's not chocolate. This word is pronounced as chocolate. Again, chocolate. Next word is the word ceremony. It's not ceremony. It is being pronounced as ceremony. Again, ceremony. The last word that we have in the word set A is the word liaisons. It's not liaisons. It is being pronounced as liaisons. Again, liaisons. Word set B. The first word that we have here in the word set B is the word actually. It's not actually. Instead, the right pronunciation for this word is actually. Again, actually. It is a combination of E and A. We're going to say A, and from that position, try to say A. A. Again, actually. Next word is the word aspirin. It's not aspirin. Instead, it is being pronounced as aspirin. Again, aspirin. Next word is the word finally. It's not finally. Instead, it is being pronounced as finally. Again, finally. Next word is the word broccoli. It's not broccoli. It is being pronounced as broccoli. Again, broccoli. Next word is the word general. It's not general. It is being pronounced as general. Again, general. Next word is the word business. It's not business. The right pronunciation for this word is business. Again, business. Word set C. The first word that we have in word set C is the word camera. It's not camera. It is being pronounced as camera. Again, camera. Next word is the word interest. It's not interest. It should be interest. Again, interest. Next word is the word comfortable. It's not comfortable. This word should be pronounced as comfortable. Again, comfortable. Next word is the word mathematics. It's not mathematics. This word should be pronounced as mathematics. Again, mathematics. Next word is the word corporal. It's not corporal. This word is pronounced as corporal. Again, corporal. Last but not the least in word set C is the word memory. It's not memory. This word should be pronounced as memory. Again, memory. Word set D. The first word that we have in the word set D is the word diamond. It's not diamond. It should be pronounced as diamond. Again, diamond. Next word is the word probably. It's not probably. This word should be pronounced as probably. Again, probably. Next word is the word diaper. It's not diaper. This word should be pronounced as diaper. Again, diaper. Next word is the word restaurant. It's not restaurant. This word should be pronounced as restaurant. Again, restaurant. Next word is the word different. It's not different. This word should be pronounced as different. Again, different. Next word is the word, but not the least, for the word seti is the word separate. It's not separate. This word should be pronounced as separate. Again, separate. Word seti. The first word that we have in the word seti is the word conference. It's not conference. This word should be pronounced as conference. Again, conference. The next word is the word emerald. It's not emerald. It should be pronounced as emerald. Again, emerald. Next word is the word several. It's not several. The right pronunciation for this word is the word several. Again, several. Next word is the word vegetable. It's not vegetable. It should be pronounced as vegetable. Again, vegetable. Next word is the word liberal. It's not liberal. It should be pronounced as liberal. Again, liberal. Last but not the least in the word seti is the word beverage. It's not beverage. It should be pronounced as beverage. Again, beverage. Let's proceed on the word set F. The first word is the word bakery. It's not bakery. It should be pronounced as bakery. Again, bakery. Next word is the word coverage. It's not coverage. The right pronunciation for this word is coverage. Again, coverage. Next word is the word Catholic. It's not Catholic. It should be pronounced as Catholic. Again, Catholic. It is a combination of a and e. Next word is the word history. It's not history. You should pronounce as history. Again, history. Next word is the word nursery. It's not nursery. It should be pronounced as nursery. Again, nursery. Word set G. The first word that I have in the word set G is the word onion. It's not onion. It should be pronounced as onion. Again, onion. Next word is the word basically. It's not basically. The right pronunciation is basically. Again, basically. Next word is the word platinum. It's not platinum. It should be pronounced as plenum. Again, plenum. Next word is the word lettuce. It's not lettuce. The right pronunciation is lettuce. Again, lettuce. Next word is the word vase. It is also pronounced as vase. Again, vase. Last but not the least in the word set G is the word vowels. It's not vowels. It should be pronounced as vowels. Again, vowels. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. I'm hoping that you have learned from the set of words that I prepared. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.